How to delete Xbox account permanently. Hey beauty people, welcome back to this video. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can delete your Xbox account permanently. To delete Xbox account permanently, first sign into your Xbox account. After that, on the top right corner, click on the profile icon and then click on my Microsoft account. Now on the left panel, click on your info. After that, scroll down and then under the account info on the bottom here you will see close account. Just click on that. How to close your Microsoft account, you can read this. After that, click on close account. So make sure this mail is ready to close, so you can read this. After that, click on next. Now tick mark this all. Now select a region. After that, click on mark account for closure, and there you go. So our account will be closed in this date. So you can reopen this account if you want in 16 days. So after that, click on done, and that's how you can delete your Xbox account. If you found this video help you, please consider to subscribe this channel and like the video. Thanks for watching.